Alright, so here's the underside of the machine. I'm going to take that apart. See all the dirt. I think it's from the transmission. Let's take this off. Shield. When I take this off, I take one that's just a little, doesn't fit perfectly, but I don't want to get it jammed in there. I just do a little, just very slightly. There we go. You do too much, it gets jammed in there. Look at all that dirt. These just pull out. It might be tough, but this one. This one just you lift and then turn. Oh. And there's 3 tabs. You just got to press the tabs to get this out. almost done with this. The only thing left is to get the drive hub off of that transmission shaft. It's stuck on there. So we're gonna take a bottle jack and jack it off. Get your piece of wood. I'm gonna wedge that in here. I like to put a piece of metal over there. Let's see. Alright, so that loud pop was the transmission completely breaking. And that's because it's going to happen sometimes when you use the bottle jack. Either it comes out or you destroy the transmission even more. I didn't care, the transmission was already destroyed, so I just got a little bit of a mess here. So, I mean, this thing's really welded on. I'm going to have to, I think I'd break that drive hub off. Let's see if I can loosen it with a couple of hammer taps here. Alright, so what happened with that loud bang was I destroyed the rest of the transmission. It was already broke, but now the problem is there's two parts to the shaft here. The outer part here, the part that comes through the spin basket, this is the part that's actually stuck. It's just wedged in there, rust and stuff, so it's completely stuck. What we were doing is we were pressing down on this inner part of the shaft with the bottle jack, and as we were pushing down, we were pushing this part straight down, and you know what you want to happen is the whole thing to slide out, but because this outer part was wedged in, this center part was just pushing straight into the underside of the gear case and really just destroying everything in there. And broke all the pieces in there. So that's going to happen. You know, there's really nothing you could do. We're just trying to get this out. But that's what's going on. This is still stuck in here. I sprayed some penetrating oil on the sides here. I've let it sit for a half hour. I'm going to give it one more shot with the jack to get it out. Alright, so I basically got the jack to push it piece all the way down to the bottom here, but you know what, this thing's a mess. I could probably keep working on it, put some more oil in it, let it sit overnight, and get that rest out, but I'm done with this. I'm just going to toss this. This is not worth my time. It's garbage at this point, but if you wanted to keep going at it, it'll definitely come out at some point. Definitely more penetrating oil, let it soak in, and it'll come out eventually.